Want a job while you're in school? If you're under the age of 16, you can work after 7 a.m. before 7 p.m., a max of 3 hours per day and 18 hours per week. The rules are a little different while on school break. Visit youthrules.gov to learn more.
Want a job? If you're under 18, you can work in amusement parks, restaurants, safe construction zones, retail stores, and in agricultural fields. You can even work as a babysitter or an actor as long as you're not using hazardous equipment. Visit youthrules.gov to learn more about the times you can work.
Hey, did you know workers under 18 cannot perform all jobs? Did you know there are different restrictions for 14 and 15-year-olds if school's in session? Do you ever use a trash compactor, baler, or paper processing machine at work? As a young worker, you have the same rights as other workers, like the right to a safe workplace, job safety training, needed safety equipment, and an ability to speak up without fear. Check out the description below to learn more about the types of jobs and the number of hours you can work.
Do you get paid for all of your hours you work? Do you have any issue with work hours or pay? Are you expected to work through your breaks? We can help you understand your rights. For starters, you should be getting paid for duties before and after your shift, training and travel between job sites. Check out the description for more information.
Have you ever had concerns about your pay or wondered how to file a complaint against your employer? We can help. Our services are free and confidential. 2 helpful tips. Know your employer's name and keep a record of the hours that you work and your pay. Check out the description below to learn more.
Are you paid by the hour, day, task, or by the job? Does your weekly pay vary each week regardless of the hours you've worked? Did you know that if your state has its own minimum wage law that provides greater protection, you must be paid that rate? We can explain your worker rights and the minimum wage exceptions for tipped employees, workers with disabilities, full-time students, and others. Check out the description below to learn more.
Have you ever worked overtime? Do you get paid differently after 40 hours in a week? Does your hourly rate ever change within a week? Just know that there are laws that protect you. If you ever work more than 40 hours in a work week, you should be getting paid time and a half what you normally make. Check out the description below for more information.
Have you ever felt retaliated against for filing a complaint about your workplace rights? Have you ever felt intimidated by your employer or your manager for asking about your pay or work hours? Most of the laws we enforce protect you from retaliation for exercising your rights. So for example, let's say you are a cook at a restaurant and you work an average of 50 hours a week. You contact us confidentially about overtime pay. Then you tell another cook that you learned you should be earning extra pay. Your manager overhears this conversation and fires you. In this example, you were fired for contacting the Wage and Hour Division, which is prohibited as retaliation by your employer. Check out the description below for more information.